What's up guys, Modz CyroMarvin here once again, and today we're gonna do a tutorial on Minecraft. We're gonna set up a Minecraft server. Pretty simple. What I've done is I've already got the .bat, as you can see. Echo off means go back to the start whenever the server crashes. No, echo off means not pronouncing at start, means go back to the start. Go to start means whenever the server crashes, restart. Just ignore that. I've already got the the jar, because that's another episode that I want to do, because spigots become complicated to get now. Once you've got all your bats set up, I'll have that in the description, and you run it, you've got to agree to the EULA. This is basically Minecraft's way of making you their bitch. So we run that, and once we've got it all going, check the server properties. As you notice, remember, they're going to be empty, so we're going to have to actually generate those. So let's get the server going. I will be going into how to port forward in another episode. If I remember, you'll have a little message come up now saying that, but I probably won't remember. So what we've done is we've got it started. Now we see no errors. It's created the world. It's just making the actual world file itself. We're literally everything else we're going to cover in other videos. This is purely and simply just setting it up and running it. So I'll put as much details in the description as possible. So right, let's check the server properties. Now we're going to see what that's actually like. So we're going to regenerate that. Now we've got in here, we're going to disable the nether, just because for future videos I want to make it nice and quick. So obviously I'm going to be recording at the same time. Ports, this is where you actually set the port for the server. We're going to cover how to open a port in a bit. Until the ports are open, no one can join it other than you. Just to be clear, that is no one, no matter what. You can ask your friends to join your IP address, they cannot join. So now we've got that cleared up. That offline mode, you can actually make it so if you've got a cracked Minecraft, you can still play. We'll go into that another time. Personally, I have no ethics against cracked Minecraft, because I don't really care. You get what you pay for, really. If you don't pay for it, you don't get much. Simple as. So right, we're going to disable generate structures. I'm not entirely sure why I've just done that, but it doesn't really matter. They're basically the villagers. So right, we're going to, actually we can't OP yet, we're going to do that in console in a bit. So we're going to add some plugins. These are going to be useful plugins that I'm going to do in future tutorials. All very simple stuff. Now the main one for me is script. That is basically scripting in Minecraft. Basically E2 on Gary's mod, but on Minecraft. It's pretty awesome. That I'm going to cover that in depth, without a doubt. That's where I originated all my coding skill, well, my scripting to coding skills. It all started off there, really. So eventually we'll cover all things like .NET, Visual Basic.NET, C#. We're going to cover a little bit of PHP at some point, HTML, setting up websites, all that random shiznaz. Right, okay, that's all generated without any errors. So what we're going to do is we're going to, right, let's, I'm not too sure. I'm thinking if we change the world file, right, okay, let's change the world. We're gonna put a nice, we're gonna put Mineplex's spawn. How about that? That'd be random. Oh, sorry, my keyboard seems to have just randomly disconnected. I don't know. Give me a second. It'll come back. It does this. Some stupid USB extension thing, and then my shifter gets stuck on for a couple of minutes. Bear with me. We're getting there. Let's see. It's crazy. Right. Okay. There we go. Right. Okay. Stop. Right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to saves. Obviously you're probably going to have saves from somewhere else. I don't know. Get it from Planet Minecraft. So right, here we go. We've got Mineplex's spawn. This is another. I got this spawn by a mod that I'll explain at some point. It's quite cool though. No one really wants to tell anyone about it because it's such a cool mod. But you can basically steal spawns and stuff like that. We will go into that another time. Don't worry. Everyone who sees it's amazing. Like they're just amazed. Right, okay. I need to delete the player data. For some reason that's gone corrupt. Not a problem. It does this sometimes. Check that the region files are still intact. They are. Right, let's run it again. So this time it should run without any errors. As you will notice, I am using Weepcraft, which is a hacked client on Minecraft. Yes, everyone goes, oh, you're trolling, rah rah. Actually, this makes one of the best server management tools you will ever find. You can fly quicker, everything's just simpler. You can do everything simpler. It makes server running just so much better. You will notice that the no cheat plus kicks in a second. That's because we put permissions EX in, but we haven't actually set any permissions. So the OP says yes, I have everything, but permissions is saying I have nothing, that I'm just a member. So no cheat plus gets confused. Just check and see if I had a script installed. Script basically lets me create commands as well. I didn't have it installed because obviously I didn't copy over the folder. So yeah, as you'll notice here that I start going a bit glitchy. That's no cheat plus. If I wasn't OP'd, I wouldn't be able to move a tool like that. It wouldn't let me fly. We're going to cover that as well. That's an important one. But yeah, that's all, guys. Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure. Sub us, like us, tell us all your friends about it. You know, the usual. Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure. Have fun. Goodbye.